If you're looking for a premium quality interior design course, where by the end of the course you actually get a skill that you could apply, first of all, to enhance your life personally, some sort of your own personal project, you're renovating your home and you would like to see the difference, that's one, or professionally, where you're able to monetize that skill. Well, we're going to teach you both. We do have a very powerful series of interior design courses, not just one, as part of our membership program. And guess what? As part of the membership program, you get 100+ courses. We are registered continuous professional development providers. As an educational and professional development company, we are giving you premium training programs. Our programs are popular, very well known across the globes. We have trainings featured as part of the Financial Post, Tech Republic, Macworld, The Entrepreneur, and the list goes on. We have trained over 200,000 professionals from over 175 countries who have witnessed the educational and professional development excellence that our courses and programs provide. And by the end of every single course, you're going to be getting an online completion certificate that you could utilize to help you apply for jobs, change your career, apply for new projects, and they are verifiable by your employer as well, for example, through our website. In addition to membership access, as well as jobs board, gigs, and projects access that scans various countries to give you the latest up-to-date job opportunities, project opportunities, which are completely remote, by the way, and in person. That way, when you're learning a skill, you are able to actually apply the skill and make it happen. You try to learn it, apply it, and monetize it in one way or another. And we are giving you the support system to do so. And without mentioning the power of our community, we're going to be networking with top tier professionals. We got people working in top senior level positions, executives, managers who are training their staff using our programs, and themselves, they're a part of our programs. You could share your work, share your expertise, get some insights, network, collaborate. We're giving you the system to help you open up some doors as part of the process.